Students, today will we discuss about character of the astrologer. Okay. In the essay of an astrologer's day, the astrologer is the chief character that has been drawn beautifully by R.K. Narayan. He presents him as a successful businessman. He has run away from his village. After throwing his friend into the well, he settles at a place which is 200 miles away from his village. He becomes a successful astrologer, though he has little knowledge of astrology. Yet he satisfies his client as he knows their psychology fully well. Okay. First, the satire and astrology. R.K. Narayan has developed the astrologer's character with a different purpose. He in fact intends to pass satire on astrology. He shows the art of befooling the innocent pupil in the profession. The astrologer has no knowledge in astrology. Just with a bit of common sense, he succeeds in befooling all. Next, a clever businessman. The astrologer is a perfect and clever businessman. He is unaware of the stars and future of his clients. Yet his psychological analysis of human nature provides him enough stuff for giving answers satisfactory enough to please his customers. He uses all his tricks to flourish his trade. He satisfies his customers with his long practice. He tells his customers the things which please and make them happy. He listens carefully to his customers' problem and gives them suggestions according to their desire. His predications generally pacify the miseries and pains of his customers. Next, a reader of human psychology. The author has beautifully portrayed the character of astrologer. He is perfect in the art of reading human psychology. He deals with his customers like an experienced businessman. He only predicts what his customers are desires. We clearly observe that he begins to speak after his customer has spoken for at least 10 minutes. In this way, he comes in close contact with the state of affairs of his customer's life. Generally, he reduces the level of pain and misery of his customer by telling them that something better is about to happen in near future. On account of these fine perceptions, he is successful in his occupations. Next, a good man. If we closely examine astrologer's character, we find that he is a man of pure soul rather than having a criminal instinct. In the story, he gets involved in a struggle with his friends under the effect of wine and with an impulse of anger. He stabs him and throws in a well, but afterwards, though he escapes from the place, he begins his life by adopting a safe and clear profession. When he meets the same person again, he is completely under control of his senses and neatly shapes himself like a common man. The spirit of crime not at all carries him away. He does the crime, no doubt, but that does not mean that he is a born criminal. Next, a true Indian figure. The writer has taken up an astrologer in the story who is a very common figure in Indian society. The astrologer has all the tricks of his trade. He opens his bag But afterwards, though he escapes from and thrown in a well, but afterward, though he escapes from the place, he begins his life by adopting a safe and clear profession. When he meets the same person again, he is completely under control of his senses and neatly saves himself like a common man. The spirit of crime not at all carries him away. He does the crime, no doubt, but that does not mean that he is a born criminal. Next, a true Indian figure. The writer has taken up an astrologer in the story who is a very common figure in Indian society. The astrologer has all the tricks of his trade. He opens his bag and spreads all his paraphernalia that includes a dozen of cowrie shells, a square piece of cloth, a notebook, and a bundle of Palmyra writing. He wears saffron-colored turban around his head. On his writing, he wears saffron-colored forehead. He has applied sacred ash and vermilion. His way of conversation is as normal as any other predictor of fortune. Next, his intelligence. The character of astrologer seems to be patient and intelligent at the same time. He succeeds because of his intelligence. When he sees the face of his enemy, he feels nervous. Immediately, he goes through a plan. He informs with emphasis to his client as well enemy that the person he is seeking desperately has been dead. He narrates all the incidents in the most commanding manner. His enemy fails to suspect his real identity, and therefore, just because of his sharp wit, and he saves his life. An Astrologer's Day is written by R.K. Narayan. He has written number of short stories and novels. He knows the character of the novel around him and presents his character in his revealing way. The hopes and despair of the people, the faith and superstitions all come to the readers in clear light of his language. An astrologer is an interesting story of R.K. Narayan. It tells us about the superstitions of the people of our country. The astrologer is a very cunning person. He knows nothing of the art or science of astrology. All that he knows is that the people are gullible and they can be easily befooled. That is what he does. He befools his customers in our country. Everyone wants to know of his future. And what is stored, that is bomb of future. Moreover, everyone is good at talking, so the astrologer allows his customer to talk long and talk well of himself and his personal affairs. The cunning astrologer collects an information about his customer. When he is in possession of facts, he comes down heavily on his customer and wins over him. This is a story of a person who knows nothing of astrology or palmistry. He was just a petty criminal after stabbing a young man and pushing him into a well. He ran away from his village just to save himself from the eyes of police. He established himself as an astrologer. He was a criminal in disguise of an astrologer. He dressed like a holy man. The astrologer put ash and vermilion. He dressed on his forehead. He posed as a perfect palmist. He established himself at a place where the atmosphere was helpful to his art and craft. R.K. Narayan believes that anyone with a little tact and knowledge of psychology can become an astrologer in India. Here, the astrologer with his long experience and knowledge of human psychology and the things around easily pleased and befooled the people. He knew that people generally had problems about money. Woman and marriage, he listened to his customers very patiently. He lifted everything out of his customers. All that he needed to know about the answers, he made vague and ambiguous remarks which pleased and convinced his customers. The people come to him in good numbers. The satire in the story is illustrated with the help of a practical example. The astrologer was under the impression that he had killed a person. So he had run away from his village. The same person one evening comes to him. The astrologer recognized him, but he did not recognize the astrologer. Here was a full chance to befool him. It was a critical moment. The astrologer has a bit of presence of mind. He told the person that his killer was dead long back. He was crushed under a lorry. He should not travel southward again. Since the murderer was dead, while the customers should worry, both returned happily to their homes. The story thus is an interesting satire on the fake art of astrology and palmistry as it practiced in our country.